Welcome back to my channel. 2021. Let's hope this is a much better year for everyone, because last year was horrible on so many levels. So jumping straight in, at the end of last year I did a lot of watercolour paintings, trying to understand how to use it and work it and trying to sort of find my way through it using tutorials, etc. So now I'm going to do something that I've not done before on this channel. I'm going to draw the one thing in this world that I absolutely love. It's Pokemon. I am the biggest Pokemon fan. I love everything Pokemon. So I figured I'd take my drawing skills and I would draw a Pokemon, and then I would attempt to use watercolour paints to colour it. So I'm going to set up my board, get everything in place. The Pokemon that I'm going to paint is going to be Jigglypuff. For those of you who don't know it, Jigglypuff is almost as famous in my eyes as Pikachu. So have a look at the video and I'll see you guys just after. Came out really well, didn't it? It's so cute. Look, a little Jigglypuff. How can you not love Jigglypuff? Kicks ass. Check him out. Yeah. So as a first attempt at doing watercolours onto cartoons, well, happy with that one. Really, really chuffed. If you guys like this one and if you appreciate the Pokemon, then leave a comment below. Please tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you don't. How can you not though? Seriously. Leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet but you like this, I'm going to be doing some more Pokemon watercolour paintings. So if you haven't subscribed yet but you enjoyed this one, please smash the subscribe. Get connected with the GL Army and there'll be more to come. Hit the like button. God knows that YouTube algorithms love that as well. And wow, share it about. Tell other people what I'm doing. Tell them about my channel. This channel is purely here to inspire you guys to have a go at art as well. Remember that. This is just showing you what I do, how I enjoy it, and my journey through sort of painting, drawing, art, line work, all the kind of stuff that builds up this art world. So get stuck in, have a look at my old stuff. I'll leave a link at the end of the video for some of my other drawings that I've done in the past. And that's it. If you enjoyed it, as I say, stick around. There'll be lots more to come. But until the next video, stay safe, stay clean, stay happy, and I will see you real soon. Bye for now.